Now let's hit set the finished design. I'm ironing the garment right side up, not inside out. Before you start, place something soft underneath, a towel or a padded ironing board. This is essential when working with dimensional paints like suede or puffy effects so that the texture doesn't get flattened. Cover the design with a cotton fabric and set your iron to the cotton setting, no steam. I prefer cotton over baking paper because it's gentler on the paint and doesn't overheat the surface. Keep the iron moving at all times. Don't hold it in one spot. Overheating can affect color and finish. I also avoid heavy pressure. I lightly support the iron instead of pressing it down, especially over raised areas. When working on lettering or dimensional paint, hover the iron slightly above the surface. Heat fix for at least 3 minutes, depending on the fabric and paint. Always ventilate the room. This step also melts the fabric glue underneath the glitter, locking it in permanently. You can pause, let the design cool slightly, and then continue. After ironing, lift the cotton carefully. If anything sticks, don't pull. Let it cool completely first. And after about 5 minutes, everything will release cleanly, and your design is finally fully set. As a bonus for you, take a moment to screenshot the checklist I've made. It's the same process I personally use for all my finished pieces. In the next tutorials, I'll show you how I test finished designs, what to avoid during the first wash, and how to keep your painted clothes looking good long term. If this masterclass was helpful, let me know in the comments what you painted. And if you'd like a space beyond the videos to learn and grow together, I'd love to invite you to my community tab on YouTube. I personally share fabric, art tips, and discoveries here, and it's a place where you can post your work, exchange experience, support others, and ask for advice, like a small, friendly forum. Meanwhile, I thank you for your time. See you in the next lessons.